Okay, yeah, that's how they hunt. But what do they use to actually catch that meat? Here. Their claws. Okay, but if we're trying to get it to rhyme with meat, what might we say? Feet, absolutely. So we have meat, we have feet. And then the third thing is, if their food is too big for them to eat, do they pull out a knife and a fork and kind of sit there and cut it up into bite-sized pieces? No. What do they tear apart with? All the way back. Their feet, absolutely. So everybody say meat, feet, feet. Okay, they don't quite rhyme up here, but it works. All right, so when we're talking about raptors, we're talking about meat, feet, feet. Up here in Wisconsin, like I said, we have 5 different kinds. What kind is Stella? An owl, absolutely. So we have owls. Does anybody know of another? Eagles, yes. Vultures. Vultures are kind of that tricky category. We'll talk about that in just a second after we name the other ones. Hawks. Okay, so we have owls, eagles, hawks.
Raptors?
Raptors is the whole group. We're naming specific types right now. Have I heard from you? Falcons, okay. And then there's one more. Starts with an O. Likes water a lot. O-S, not an ostrich. Do you think you know it? Okay, we'll shout out to somebody else. Do you know it?
Osprey?
Osprey, yeah, absolutely. There's one that lives over on the island sometime. So that's owls, eagles, hawks, falcons, and osprey. Now, vultures were kind of that questionable one. They used to be included with raptors. Can you get you? They used to be included with raptors.